Welcome to Celeb Scene Central. Reality television fans are worried for the future of the Real Housewives of New Jersey. Season 14 has been divided, and fans are now sick of it. Bravo bosses canceled the reunion as there was no path forward for a resolution between the stars. The reunion cancellation news threw the fans into a panic, as many guessed that the show was nearing its end. Bravo kingpin Andy Cohen stated that they are figuring something out, but that does not stop the fans from worrying and reports from reporting misinformation. Fans are not the only ones discussing the reboot rumors. The Real Housewives of New Jersey star Melissa Gorga and her husband Joe Gorga are also talking about it. Gorga is at the heart of the cast divide as she and sister-in-law Teresa Giudice's feud comes to a head. Their feud made filming difficult as they refuse to film in the same space. Shocking alliances and new feuds add to the divide, and there is now no going back for the stars. On her podcast On Display with Melissa Gorga, the married couple shares their thoughts on the reboot rumors. Gorga asked her husband about his thoughts on a possible reboot while stating, "It's definitely a long time and nostalgic for us and something that we've been doing forever." He responds with, "We put a lot of time and effort. We dedicated over a decade of our lives to this show, and it would be sad, right? Wouldn't it be? It would be a little sad. It is what it is, and you know, whatever happens, happens. We'll just have to move on, and when one door closes, another one opens, and we'll just figure it out, right? Either way, I think that we've shown a lot of our lives and I'm happy to continue showing it, and I'm also happy with the memories that we made," she said. "So I feel like we'll be at peace either way." A reboot has not been confirmed for Real Housewives of New Jersey. Despite many report outlets and fan theories, no decision has been made. On her podcast, Gorga also confirmed that the executives have told the cast that no decision has been made about their future on the show. Cohen has previously warned fans to avoid fake reports on reboots and firings, and now Gorga's podcast is another reminder. Cohen has also stated that the cast is in need of a shakeup, but nothing has been confirmed. Gorga has also agreed that the Real Housewives of New Jersey needs to change. The show has become toxic, as the cast have fallen out with each other. Jackie Goldschneider and Margaret Joseph's friendship fell apart, and Gorga is not speaking to her either. Danielle Cabral and Jennifer Aydin also fell out. Their feud led to a shocking physical fight that had them suspended from filming. Rachel Fuda and Jen Fessler are also no longer speaking. New friendships are causing a further divide, as Goldschneider's and Giudice's sudden alliance is causing a further rift between Goldschneider, Gorga, and Joseph's. Fessler's friendship with Giudice is also raising eyebrows. With the cast still divided and no news on season 15, fans will have to wait and see what happens to the Real Housewives of New Jersey. The reunion is different this time, as a watch part of the finale replaces the traditional reunion. Fans can stay tuned to Collider to hear more about the future of the Real Housewives of New Jersey. The Real Housewives of New Jersey airs every Sunday on Bravo at 8 p.m. All episodes are available to stream next day on Peacock.